Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're remodeling your kitchen or just updating your hardware, you're probably wondering, should you go with knobs or pulls? Well, today we're diving into the pros and cons of both so you can make the best decision for your kitchen. First, let's talk about knobs. Knobs are the more traditional option and have been around for decades. They're simple, easy to install, and typically a bit more affordable, but they can be harder to grip, especially on larger or heavier doors. Knobs are perfect for smaller cabinets or when you're looking for that classic look. They're easy to install, requiring only one screw, and they come in tons of designs and finishes. Okay, let's take a deep dive about poles now. Poles are great for giving your kitchen a modern, sleek look. They provide a better grip, making them ideal for larger drawers or heavier cabinets. The extra leverage is a real plus for comfort and easy of use. Poles also come in variety of sizes and finishes, so they work well with both contemporary and traditional designs. The only downside is they're usually a bit more expensive, and installation requires two screws instead of just one. A lot of our customers love to mix and match. So, for example, they would choose poles for upper cabinets and knobs for lower cabinets, or poles for the entire kitchen and knobs for the island. Realistically, there is no right or wrong answer. It comes down to preference and design aesthetics. You can do a mix of both, and it works well for many kitchens. Let's talk about finishes. The most popular finishes that we are seeing in 2025 is matte black, brushed brass, brushed nickel, champagne bronze, and gold. These are the top 5 finishes people are choosing in today's market. Let's talk about brands to consider. The first brand is Amarok because Amarok offers a wide range of high quality hardware at affordable prices and they're perfect for modern or traditional kitchens. Then you have Top Knobs, which is more of a luxury brand. They have more higher end hardware for modern kitchens. And then you have Brenson because they offer stylish and practical hardware with affordability and many trending styles that can complement any kitchen design. So here's our final tips for choosing the best hardware for your kitchen. Number one, consider function first. Think about how often you'll be opening and closing your cabinets. For heavy drawers, pulls are often the best choice. Number two, match hardware to your style, choosing a finish that complements your kitchen overall design. And number three, mixing metals. Don't be afraid to mix different metals for a more customized look, but keep them complementary. And number four, don't forget about size. Make sure your hardware is proportional to your cabinets and drawers. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this was helpful and informational. And if you would like to support our small business, visit rtakb.com. We offer a lot of pulls and knobs and many brands for cabinet hardware. And use code YouTube for 10% off your first purchase.